Take a deep, intentional breath in and release. As you settle into this space, allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. There's nothing to do and nowhere else to be, just here, now. Imagine a soft, radiant light hovering above you. With each breath, it begins to wash over you. Calm, warm, and full of power. This light clears away tension, doubt, and anything heavy you've been carrying. Feel it moving through your shoulders, down your arms, through your chest, and into your heart. Each breath fills you with peace, focus, and clarity. You are safe. You are centered. You are ready. Now, let this light awaken and unleash the power in you.